How to activate CommBank card online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and on the search bar, search for commbank.com.au and press enter. Now on this web page, click on the log on button and from here select NetBank log on. Then on the next page, it's going to redirect you here on the log on page. Now you just have to enter your client number and password. If you want to save your credentials, check the box that says remember client number. Uncheck this box if you're using a public computer. Then you want to click on the log on button to log into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, you have the option to retrieve it by clicking on the link below. Once you have logged into your account, from the home page, click on the cards and after that click on activate card button. Next, provide the information and enter your last 4 digits of card and enter your PIN. Then re-enter your PIN to confirm it and finally click on the submit button. Then your CommBank credit or debit card will be activated, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.